Hi everyone, let's go ahead and continue our Pandas series lecture. In previous lecture we had seen how you can create a series with the help of list and mixed data type. Now we are going to see how you can create a list using a dictionary. Suppose that you have a data dictionary A equal to, there I say value A which is 1, value B, that means key B, and value of B is 2, and then key is C, and then value of this is 3. A 3 data point series we are going to create. It is very much simple. You just need to do here pd dot series, and then you need to pass here A. Alright, now you see the difference between this and what we had earlier. So what happens here, when you pass here a list, then the index of series is created automatically there, and index starts from the 0 till length minus 1. There are total 8 value in this, so this index starts from the 0 to 7. But here this index value is taken from the key of dictionary, and the key arrangement, whatever this key arrangement is there, I mean to say that the way this list is created, accordingly it will create here a index there. For example, if I convert this, if I bring that A at the last, then you would see that it creates here B, C, A. Alright, something like this. That's how it is gonna create. But if you want to arrange this in controlled manner, then how would you do that? You can simply do like this: pd dot series A is this dictionary. Again, if I run this off, obviously it's gonna give a same result here. But if you pass here index, then with the help of index we can control the sequence of these index there. I say here A, and then I say there B, and then finally here I'm gonna say here a C. So with this we are gonna get here A, B and C. Now you see there, these index are sorted based on the index I provided here. You can also do and perform statistical operations on these series. For example, you can simply get the maximum of this series by just writing there s.max, and then simply by typing there s.minimum, you can get the minimum value. s.std says that the standard deviation. Now you see there, the maximum is 3, minimum is 1, and standard deviation is 1.0. Similarly, you can get here the variance. So the variance is also 1.0. Similarly, you can get like s.mean, which is 2.0. You can also get here the median as well. So s.median is also 2 there. All other stats you can get here, like s.count says that how many total values or how many total rows are there in the series. So all these statistical operations you can do with this. But if you have a mixed data types, then how would you do that? For example, let's say if I have this one, all right, let's say here, if you have this mixed data type and you try to do these statistical operations on the mixed data types, then see what happens. It's gonna throw you the error, because here you see this is a mixed data type. So for the mixed data type, we don't have a maximum, minimum, standard deviation, all these things. But if you do here s.count, you will get the total count. So it says that the total 8 values are there. That's why we are getting here the s count. And you can also get here the s.ndim says that the number of dimension. Series is always one dimension or 1D vector. That is why the dimension you are getting there just 1, and with the help of s.shape you can also get that total how many rows are there. Since it is a series, that's why you are not getting here any column. Otherwise, if it was a data frame, you might have got there columns, as many column presents there. Alright, this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you in next one.